everyone, welcome back to Creatively Crafted Life. This is Melanie, and today we're going to be working on this kit that I picked for Finish It February. It's from Queen & Company, and let's see what I came up with.
So week 1 of February is done, and I'm back to report on how I used my Queen & Company kit. I made 2 base pages. Really, it's a 1 double page spread. It's very generic. The plan is to probably put a row of photos across here and maybe a title up on this corner and some journaling down here. So these will go where I store my base pages until I'm ready to use them. I did make 10 cards. They're basically all the same design. For 6 of them, I used the sticker sentiments that came with the kit, and 4 of them don't have any sentiments on them. The ones without will go in with my base cards, and when I pull out some sentiment stamps, I'll just finish them at that point. And the ones that are done, of course, will go in with my finished card collection. So I just coordinated the papers from the pad. So I used a more solid color as the base, and then a print for the camera itself. And then for the lens, I tried to match it to the back to make it look a little more cohesive. I used all of the shaker foam pocket things, except of course I had the middle pieces. So I will hold on to these because they would make a great dimensional. So, you know, why not? There's nothing wrong with them. And I only had 8 of these, so I had to make 2. And what I did for them is I actually die cut the lens piece out of foam, and I just doubled them up and did it that way. So the 4 that don't have a sentiment, one is this blue one. I have 2 of the orange. I could have filled these a little more because I still did have some beads left, but I do like that they shake. I think if I filled them up too much more, there wouldn't be much shaking going on. So there's the 2 orange, 1 of the pink, and the pink is the one that I made my homemade shaker pocket out of. And then these ones all have sentiments on it. So you make me smile. Oh snap, it's your birthday. Hope your birthday's picture perfect. We just click. And thank you for all the smiles. And then the last one is snappy birthday. I could add some enamel dots or something on here just to kind of jazz it up a little bit more. But to be honest, I think I'm just going to leave them simple. I also considered putting some glossy accents where the 2 openings are, but again, I think I'm just going to keep them simple. I think they're just cute the way they are. Okay, so what did I have left from the kit? I have the full packet of purple. There was no purple in this package, so I don't know why they gave purple beads, but I have the full one. And then I have just a little bit of each of the other colors. Enough probably to do at least 1 more card. So I will hold on to these, and these will go in with my sequin and brads and stuff organization. For the sticker sheet, I had 3 stickers left. They're not ones that I would normally say or that I thought I would say. I think I'm much better off using something more birthday related. I am not going to keep these. This is going to be recycled. And these are all the scraps left over from the paper pad. Could I make something more out of them? Yeah, I probably could. But at this point, I don't feel the need to. So I'm going to be considering that used up, and these will all be recycled. And like I mentioned earlier, I have some of the foam circles which I will put with my dimensional adhesive stuffs and use them whenever the opportunity presents itself. So I'm very happy with my first week's results. Let me know below how you made out if you're playing along, and if you do have a social media handle, leave it below so I can check it out if you've posted anything. Okay, thanks everyone, and until next week, happy crafting.